Woo-wee. What's up, guys? Yeah, sure. The day has come, Bruce. It's Crayfish weekend. Let's go. Yeah, sure. I couldn't even sleep last night, bro. So busy, man, and my head was just thinking of the crayfish. Alright, yeah, so it's no way we keep Hangklip. We're at Hangklip and we're gonna head back to the back of the lighthouse and we're gonna go look for some crayfish. Let's do it. Woo! Alright, there's a spot for the day. A bit of swell there in the back, but I mean, it's always swell here. Woo. Damn, I've gotten fat. Oh, I was so excited that I literally couldn't sleep last night. Oh, it's been such a while. I think it's, what's the time? 7:14. Yeah, I get the 45 minutes. Ugh. Here we go, fam. Oh, it looks so weird with my wetsuit on.
Once to think. Yeah. Once to think when you had the thing on your chest.
Hello, guys. Here we go.
I'm standing on the edge of a cliff. Realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from heaven's send. With me tonight, I run away.
It's a good morning. Damn, okay. Gonna go head on to the best fish and chip spot here around here. Gosh, ek het vet gerok.